Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel. I will be starting off today with this rainbow cut crease, so I hope you like this video. So for starters, I just started off with Bun Fresco from my Modern Renaissance palette and put that above my crease. I didn't do it too dark because that's not how I wanted it for this look, so I just did it lightly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this light gray shade from the Naked Smoky palette. It's called Password, so all I do is I just put it in my crease and wing it out and just do it lightly, and then later I'll go in with some black to deepen it up. Now after just blending out that gray with a clean fluffy brush to disperse the product, I go in with the darkest blue and some of the black from the Morphe 35B palette and just darken up that wing I made. After cutting my crease and setting it in place, all I did was go back in with that light gray shade and kind of just add a little bit more to blend it out, and just use a smaller detailed brush to kind of get closer to the line. Because I wasn't happy with the fluffy detailing brush, I ended up taking a small detailed winged eyeliner pencil and just actually dipped into the black and drew the line on, and that actually ended up with a better result into deepening up that black shade. Once again, I just ended up blending out that line again so there's no harsh lines, and then I did cut my crease for a second time because it did, when I used the black, it got on what I already cut, so it kind of looked messy, so I wanted to just make it look more sharp, so that's what I did. I'm feeling something right, 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 I'm feeling something right. Now what I do next, I just took that red shade in my Take Me to Brazil palette by Beach Cosmetics and put that in the inner corner. So this is the orange shade I used, but then I took that bright yellow and then that mustard yellow, and then also the yellow from my Morphe 35B palette, and used that because one yellow was too bright, one was too dark, so I thought that mixing them was the best idea. Then I just took that grass colored green from the BH Cosmetic palette and put that next to the yellow, and then I took that bright blue in my 35B palette from Morphe and put that at the end of the wing. What I did here is I used my Duo eyelash glue and outlined half of my crease and used that with a detailed eyelash eyeliner brush and applied red glitter. You for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, like the video and subscribe. So bye guys.